The lens is now on vaccination camp in an upscale Mumbai society after residents questioned jab authenticity. 390 people took the vaccine, but not a single person got any side effects. Hospitals have denied providing vaccines to housing society. Residents are now suspecting that they were given fake COVID shots. Take a look.
This is Mumbai's upscale Hiranandani Estate Society. On May 30th, 390 people living here were given Covishield shots inside the society premises. What happened next was baffling. None of the 390 people given the vaccine had any post-jab symptoms, like a mild fever or an ache in the hand. There were more surprises to come.
390 लोगों को वैक्सीनेशन दी गई थी उस दिन ऑन रिकॉर्ड और हमसे 1260 रुपया लिया गया है। हमें बोला गया था 1200 रुपया ये इसका वैक्सीनेशन का चार्ज है और 60 रुपीज़ GST है। वहाँ पे किसी को पिक्चर्स लेने नहीं दे रहे थे कि भाई आई एम वैक्सीनाइट, और तो वो जो वहाँ पे स्टाफ था वो भी बोल रहा था सेल्फी और हमारा भी फोटो आपको नहीं लेना है।
The people living in the high-end society grew more suspicious after nobody received the certificate issued by the government.
We are seeing after like the day of vaccine, no one is having any side effects, no one is having any terms of, like symptoms, nothing in that sorts. So in terms of that, then we started questioning, we started wondering what is going on. So after that, after inquiring, we got to know that no one was getting certificates also, which was supposed to be issued within the first 10-15 minutes of getting the vaccine.
After 10 days, they did get the certificates, but these had the names of different hospitals in Mumbai.
सर्टिफिकेट जो बाद में तो वो तो डिफरेंट नेस्को से आ रहे हैं, लाइफलाइन से आ रहे हैं, हमको आ रहे हैं नानावटी से आ रहे हैं।
नेस्को तो BMC के अस्पताल।
वही जब नेस्को का सर्टिफिकेट आया तब यह सरप्राइज कि ये तो फ्री का और BMC का है, ये कैसे मैनेज हो रहा है। इट मींस इट्स अ वेरी बिग गेम कि ये सब वैक्सीनेशन तो मैनेज हुआ है पर सर्टिफिकेट भी मैनेज हो रहा है।
Then came another twist in the story. The hospitals, which included the city's top ones, denied to have given any vaccine doses to be administered to Hiranandani Estate Society members. Anxiety and anger has gripped the members. They are not even sure what vaccine was given to them.
300 people have taken this vaccine, maybe more than that. 390 people have taken the vaccine. Okay, so we want to know first the authenticity कि क्या गया है हमारे body में. The first and foremost. Second, we need the government intervention on this.
सर्टिफिकेट जो आते हैं जनरली गवर्नमेंट के सर्टिफिकेट जो आते हैं वो 15-20 मिनट में या विद इन 1-2 आवर्स आ ही जाते हैं, एट द मोस्ट 24 आवर्स। बट हम लोग को किसी को भी कोई भी सर्टिफिकेट नहीं आया। जो भी सर्टिफिकेट्स आए किसी को एक हफ्ते के बाद, किसी को उसके बाद।
Mumbai police has now launched a probe into what happened in one of Mumbai's premium housing societies.
The society members are alleging that this is a huge vaccination scam in this whole matter. Meanwhile, the Mumbai police is saying that they are going to verify the facts in this case first. They are going to question the officials from the different hospitals as well as some of the society members. If there are any irregularities, they are going to take a strict action. With camera person Prashant Bhatt, this is Saurav Akhtania in Mumbai for India Today.
Saurav Akhtania is getting us all the latest details. Saurav, is there a police investigation into this particular matter? Because this is a shocking story that is coming in. Have the housing society residents really been taken for a ride? What are you picking up?
Absolutely, Chaiti. This is a very shocking incident, and let me tell you, this is not just one place such vaccination drive has taken place. The Mumbai police sources are telling us that in Kandivali, Malad and Borivali area, this particular group, the people who actually carried out the vaccination drive in the Hiranandani Estate Society, they have conducted such vaccination drive in the last 15 days at various places in Borivali, Kandivali area. Now, let me tell you, Chaiti, there were total 3 people of this group who actually went into the society saying that they are the representative of the private hospital. Now, 2 of them is in the custody of the Mumbai police. They are right now at the Kandivali police station. They have been questioned by the Mumbai police official. But one of them, who was actually given the cash by the society, over 5,80,000. That person is right now missing. He is nowhere to be found. Now the two people who are being taken into the custody, they are telling the police official that they got vaccinations from different private hospitals. But the private hospitals have now approached the police officials and they are saying that they never provided a single dose of vaccination to the Kandivali estate. So this is a huge scam which is going on right now, and this is actually taking the risk of common people's life. They don't even know that after even taking the vaccine they are immune or not. So it's a big case. Mumbai police is investigating. We are also learning that BMC will also intervene soon in this matter.
Of course, we'll have to keep tracking this story and we'll keep reporting the new developments as we go along the way. For now, thanks Saurav for joining us with the very latest details on this story. Chief of National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization rules out any dissenting voice amongst its members over the decision to increase the gap between Covishield doses. N.K. Arora says that the interval between 2 doses of Covishield was increased from 4 to 6 weeks to 12 to 16 weeks on the basis of scientific evidence, and that the decision was taken in a transparent fashion. However, 3 of the 14 core members of the NTGI told Reuters that a gap between 2 doses of the Covishield was doubled without the agreement of the scientific group.